Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you my grandma authentic and very simple ingredient remedy which soothe dry cough and sore throat. After using this 2 to 3 times, your dry cough and sore throat getting better and soon it's gone away. For this you need 1 gram powder of black pepper seed with ghee and honey. Mix all the ingredient and consume it twice daily. If you don't want to use honey, then you can use ghee or oil. When combined, black pepper honey can be a powerful remedy for various health issues. It can help boost the immune system, aid in weight loss, improve respiratory health, and even promote healthy skin. Mixing black pepper and honey can help with cold and flu symptoms and improve gut health as well. In the end of this video, you can see the benefits of black pepper and honey. You should try this remedy. This is a very authentic and old remedy